Hello everyone, my name is Rinku, working as a assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. So today we are discussing about the topic that is basic of groups. Group is an important part of a human life. Meaning of a group. Group is a cluster of two and more than individuals who interact with each other. Group is a unit where every individual sharing a certain common activities, interest, value, and goal. Definition of a group: two or more individually interesting and interdependent who have come together to achieve the particular objective. Nature of a group, factor affecting of a groups. These step of the common goals achieve the become the bondage. The member of the group sharing skills and other resources and achieving the goal through the integrated effort. There are combination of two and more than people apply with a purpose of achieving the common and sharing goal through their integrated effort. Feature and characteristics of a group: first one is combination two and more than individually. Second one is individual are the motivated to come closer physically and to virtually for interactions. Third one, they come closer to achieve the common and share goals. And fourth one, group member achieve their common goal through the integrated effort. Fifth one, group of the a unified unit and stable of a structure. Sixth one, member contributing different inputs, skills, knowledge, efforts, etc. toward achieving the achievement of group's goals. Seventh one, agreement and disagreement through the various form of the interactions. Needs reason for formation of a groups. The coexistence of the unity we stand, divided we fall. Formation of a group is necessary as a human are basically social beings. Most apply prefer to the live and work in groups. Some reason to be: first one security, second one empowerment through the sharing of resources, exchange of the skills, knowledge, talent, value, etc. Third one, becoming a leader. Apply with the leadership skills can be leaders to be form of a group. Lead the groups. Fourth one, synergy. Outcome to the group effort of the greater than of the sum of total individually contribution of the groups. Fifth one, goal attainment. Sixth one, status. Seventh one, affiliations, needs, सेल्फ स्ट्रीम्स करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट वन हम कर सकते हैं इसमें ऐड, अगर हम कुछ पॉइंट ऐड कर सकते हैं जैसे फॉर्मली ग्रुप सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम्स, कि हमारी जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स है उनका सोल्यूशन हमें फाइंड आउट कराने के लिए. सोशल एंड साइकोलॉजिकल पर्पज को अचीव करने के लिए. सेकंड वन आता है हमारा हाईली मोरल एक्टिवेट करने के लिए. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज सोशल कंट्रोल्स. टाइप्स ऑफ ग्रुप different apply join the groups of the various purpose or due to focus of the different factors. First one आता है formal groups. Formal group are created by the fulfilling basic needs to perform a tasks with the are the related of the overall organization purpose. Their group are characterizing by the authorities, responsibilities, relationship. Mainly consider the good production of the manager, material management, quality management in the formal groups part. Specify formal group are two types: functional group, command groups. Second one हमारा tasks and practical and projects groups. Second one informal group, when two and more than individuals join together as a group in a order to satisfy the social needs but not due to official job structure and organization. I requirement, these are the form out of the common interest, aptitude, value, opinion, ideas and characteristics of the application, yeah, the quality circles. Next one, third one is command group. A group of the superior and is the क्या subordinate, either a group individually employees and the manager whom the report and finance, for example finance management, assistant finance manager. Task group, working together in a order of the accumulation in the particular task completing in the task group. Interested group. Sixth one आता है friendship group. Common of the characteristics in the like hard working, work avoiding, smart working, status seeking, family oriented and risk taking in the friendship group. Primary group, individual with a feeling of the comradeship, loyalty and common sense of the value forming into a groups.